Alright, we're gonna go to zoom in of it again.
Mixing in the sand.
Pouring standard concrete into blocks.
That's almost like impervious already.
Working on pervious concrete. The consistency should be very rocky and a lot thicker and harder to stir.
I don't know.
It's pretty wet rocks. Yeah. Well, I'm curious what would happen if we did put a little bit of sand in it.
The air would. I don't think you want sand
yeah.
in the air, so I'd say either cement or more rock.
I don't think rocks will help.
Because it's not sticking, right?
Yeah, I think we are not adding more cement to our pervious mixture. Oh well. Alright, on to pouring. And
yeah, see, it's not supposed to fall apart, so it's probably a little bit on the wet side. That's not bad.
It's hard to make it.
It really is hard to make. Getting the water right.
we are going to cover our pervious concrete with a trash bag to allow it to cure for 3 days and try to trap the moisture in there.
These are our two examples, our final pours, the pervious concrete and the 4,000 BSCI concrete. As you can see, this one's beginning to set up already. There's a slight film on top of it, which will be troweled off or floated off as it cures, and then we'll come back and put an edge on this. Pervious concrete, as you can see, there are parts where they said if you can see shadows, then it's a good thing because that means the water is able to get down through it. And you can. We're just hoping that it all actually sticks together when it sets. And we stayed pretty close to the ratios we found online and our research. These are what we got.
Thank you. We're now attempting to remove our concrete tiles from the formwork. This is the conventional concrete tile. Brian is doing a fabulous job. We brought a power tool with us to make things easier. Ta-da!
Have our rounded edges, we did with our edger. And all, our sample looks pretty good.
I agree. And we used a what was the ratio? 0.5? 0.5 ratio. Now we're working on the pervious concrete, which was approximately a 0.3 water cement ratio. From here it looks pretty good and pretty pervious. There we go.
Here's our pervious sample. As you can see, it does have some dark spots, which we wanted, but unfortunately we had too much water and it ended up building up around here, and a lot of it went to the bottom where unfortunately our only real pervious concrete was here. Things we could have done different could be to change our ratios and put less water and more cement. That way the rock sticks together well, and as well as makes it pervious. And finally, another thing that we could do is get our aggregate all the same size. By doing this, it has a greater chance of the concrete becoming more pervious.